The Ultimate Hair Rebuilding Program, which is also known as the Hair Loss Miracle Solution and AgelessBod Hair Loss Solution, is a step-by-step guide that provides a solution for hair loss issues by using an all-natural approach. This guide is designed to assist individuals who are in search of a method to regrow their hair using only natural methods. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Dave, the author of this guide, explains that when he was in the process of creating the Ultimate Hair Rebuilding Program, he kept two main things in mind. The first one was to provide an easy-to-understand solution for people who suffer from baldness issues by improving the regrowth of their hair. The second thing was to help people stopping their current hair loss problem, so they can see a real improvement in their condition faster. As a result, in the Ultimate Hair Rebuilding Program, Dave provides a 100% natural solution for regrowing hair and preventing further hair loss by using scientifically tested techniques that should be followed on a daily basis. The Ultimate Hair Rebuilding Program utilizes natural techniques that stop the body from producing certain hormones that are directly related to hair loss. One of these hormones is known as DHT, dihydrotestosterone, which is responsible for causing shrinkage in hair follicles when the hormone is produced in a large quantity. Dave explains that it is natural in humans that begin to age for DHT levels to increase. This eventually leads to an imbalance in association with the nutrients that typically suppress the DHT hormone. The presence of such a hormone results in difficulty in growing hair, as the follicles in the hair become smaller and shrink, which eventually leads to the end of hair growth. With that in mind, the Hair Loss Miracle Solution Guide teaches individuals natural techniques to reduce the DHT production levels as well as any other hormones that have an effect on hair growth. In addition, in the Ultimate Hair Rebuilding Program, you will also gain insights on important nutrients that should be present in your diet in order to deal with the production of the DHT hormone. This guide provides very simple steps to follow on how to reverse and prohibit further hair loss. It allows you the opportunity to enjoy more lustrous, fuller and faster hair growth without the need to spend excessive amounts of money. Click the link in the description below this video for details.